With a brand new adaptation of Jane Austen's final and unfinished novel Sanditon hitting our TV screens throughout September, we thought this would be an excellent opportunity to look back at our own visit to the Jane Austen Museum in Chawton, where we learnt of her great accomplishments as a quilter and seamstress, and saw the rooms and garden where she created many of her masterpieces. From the 18th century, we fast forward to join Helen Howes, a modern contemporary quilter, and her crossing points technique. And London-based Linda Seward, an author and textile teacher, tells Valerie about these beautiful framed landscapes, which are based on holiday snaps. September sees the start of our English paper piecing series, the Tudor Rose Table Runner, under the excellent guidance of Nancy Adamek of Lena Patchwork. In this first part, you get to learn how to select the fabrics and deal with the various shapes and templates. Jenny Raymond provides us with something of the night when she teaches us how simple it is to create this very effective owl bunting. And Valerie creates 8-pointed stars with glow-in-the-dark fabrics from Lewis and Irene. The late summer has also inspired Valerie to try and match her YouTube monster hit, the 40-minute scrap quilt, viewed over 2.5 million times and still counting, by producing another easy and quick quilt top, which uses just 4 fat quarters and is sewn in, believe it or not, just 13 minutes. Really quick and really easy. What's not to like? Carolyn Forster is creating waves for us this month. Amish waves, that is, with her hand quilting. And our Throwback Thursday for September is a show and tell style lecture from Valerie on the importance of sashing in your quilts. New videos are released on Justhands-on.tv every Friday. Become a paid subscriber to enjoy unlimited access to all our online classes by Britain's finest tutors to help you with your projects from as little as £7 a month.